Hey everyone, it's Dr. Laura with Healing Hands of Manahawkin. Today you're going to get to see how awesome a family adjustment can be. And these are going to be mirror image adjustments that are going to help restore the posture and the energy flow from both of these beautiful ladies' brains down into the rest of their bodies so they can function at their absolute best. You ready?
Yep.
All right.
Yay! Say thank you.
Good job. Can I get a high five, Penelope? Thank you.